This call is now being recorded.
Have you heard this announcement while you try to record a call? Well, you might have already. So in this video, we are going to discuss why there is a call recording announcement while you try to record a call. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, then hey guys, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena. Let's go. Now, before discussing why there is a call recording announcement while you try to record a call, let's talk about different laws that govern this thing in different countries. So in countries like the US and Canada, there are some states which actually ban call recording feature due to privacy concerns. Now you might ask, Arnav, privacy concern? Well, what if the other person on the other line has some sensitive information that may be a threat to someone else's life or maybe a danger to the national security? Can we use call recording as an evidence to blow his cover? You can, and that's why countries like us, India, permit call recording under certain laws. Well, call recording is permitted here in India because while you talk to another person, there are chances that the other person can give some intel or can give some evidence or can say some sensitive information that may be a threat to someone or some place. And you can use this call recording as an evidence in the court to prove that guy or that girl is guilty. And that's why this law is here. Maybe right or wrong? Well, in my opinion, call recording is actually wrong because it is a privacy concern. And while you talk to another person through phone, you have a basic trust that that person on the other line will talk to you or will be decent enough to you. But there are also some problems while you talk to unknown people. Say, for example, what if you call an unknown person and he just tells you something very awkward and you were not able to record. And in that point in time, you can't even lodge a complaint against that person. And even if you lodge a complaint, it's very difficult to prove him guilty that he spoke that thing on phone call. So call recording is a necessary feature too, but it's like coin with two sides. It is wrong as well as right. That is where Google has stepped up in some countries where they allow call recording to embed a call recording announcement feature in their dialer application. Now, most of the Android phones use Google Dialer as a stock dialing application. And that's why in most of the phones, whether it's OnePlus, whether it's Realme, have this call recording announcement when you try to record a call. But those smartphones which use their own dialer application, like some Xiaomi smartphones, don't have this announcement feature. And that's why you won't have this call recording announcement. But the phones which use the Google Dialer application, it will have this call recording announcement. And as you all know, I might have already posted a video on call recording being banned. If you didn't watch, just watch it. By this May 11th, all the applications, third-party applications on Google Play Store which enable call recording will be out of the Google Play Store according to Google, because they are removing the support for the API, accessibility API for third-party application through Google Play services, as they are changing some regulations on that. What do you guys think about this call recording feature and call recording announcement that is there? And is there a way to stop it? Well, there is a way to stop it. You can use applications like TTS Lex, which is a replacement application for the Google Speech Services, which is actually responsible for this call recording feature. Or you can also root your smartphone and disable that particular call recording announcement if you want to. As always, if you enjoyed watching my content, a like to this video would be great. And if this video was useful, share this video with all of your friends. And also, most of you see my video doesn't subscribe. You know the drill what to do. Just click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So for now, that's me, Arnav, signing off. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.